how to use moving object detection on Mitsubishi Outlander. So first things first, if you would like to use the moving object detection, so if you would like to check and change some parking sensor settings, you need to know how to navigate the dashboard behind the steering wheel. So here you need to go to this panel and you have to know that you can choose options by using left and right buttons, confirm options by pressing this OK button, and you can also scroll this by using the OK button up and down. Oh no, okay, that if you know the basics, we can go to our dashboard. Let me zoom you in. As you can see, here you can navigate by using those arrows. Here let's find this settings icon, tap OK to confirm it, to open it. Then let's scroll down to the second option, which is the driver assistance, confirm it. Then you need to go to the bottom of the following list to open the parking sensors. And here the first option, which is the moving object. As you can see, you can enable or disable the moving object just by using this switcher. So this toggle activates the moving object system, the moving object detection. And basically, what does this feature do? This feature uses the 360 cameras network. When maneuvering or backing into a space at low speed, the car will scan the area and flash a distinct on-screen warning box while sounding an alert if it detects a moving hazard, like a pedestrian, a running child, or a passing bicycle closing in on the vehicle. So I think it's quite useful. I like to have moving object enabled, and let me leave it like that. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.